Alright, hi guys, welcome back to our second prototype. And after considering a lot of things, you have heard me do some reviews of my first prototype. Now we're trying, I have listed all the notes I need to implement on this second prototype. So yeah, this is what we made from that, based from that. Sorry. Okay, so I said here that I will change to a lighter fabric. So I took this. I think this is a rayon mix, rayon something fabric. Yeah. So yeah, it's very soft. If you could just see it, if we could compare, let me just get the other shirt, okay? The first prototype, that is. It's a little far, but I hope I can pick it up. Yeah, here it is. So as you can see, it's a little stiff compared to this one, right? Yeah, it's very nice. It's very nice. And so I love that I decided to switch to this one. Now, what else did I do? So I said here add with on upper lapel lining. What? Add with on upper with lapel line. Oh yeah. Okay, so I have this lapel, right? This thing that we fold, I added to make it thicker compared to this. This one is not as thick as this one. So yeah. And then third, on my note is I have to narrow down the torso and the sleeve. So as you can see, it's a little fit for this guy compared to this daddy 80s dad fit. This one is a little slim fit, but not as slim fit as I wanted it to be, but it is slimmer, right? And then I did intend to add some slits here to the sides, but I realized I really don't need slits. So, and also I added 1 centimeter hem length here. All right, I think those are one of my major changes. And then what else? And then I also added here another set of notes because I like to note some improvements I like to make, minor ones. So oh wait, these are for the closures. No, I mean for the trousers. Oh, okay. So let's put that out. So we're just talking about the shirt, right? So yeah, I think I like what I did with this. And what I think I yeah, it's the same thing. I didn't do anything here. I just pretty much changed those things, and I'll list those changes if you're curious in the description. Okay? And I'm gonna make another one of this with the version of not having two pieces, two parts of the back. I'm gonna make this one whole back. I'm gonna make this back here one piece. I'm gonna make the back one piece. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, for us to make our lives easier, right? And I won't be doing the double back top thing here anymore. Just one piece for our lives to get easier. All right, so let's get to that third. Actually, I've done it already, so I'm gonna put it on hands shortly. Oops. Alright, so this is the first time I'd be fitting this on him. I've got everything pressed and I think it looks cute. The color is looking good. Let's see if this will meet our expectations. Ooh, it looks fresh on him. Okay, let's just put those temporary. Let's put those temporary things here. Okay. Alright. Let me just put that up a bit because it's a little too. Okay. Not bad. Alright, so I like the fabric. I like the fabric because it's fresh looking. And so this is the one thing that we changed from the second prototype, right? We just made the back panel one whole thing there. And yeah, it looks okay. I like it. It's fresh. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. It's the only thing we changed anyway. So yeah, probably the fabric the fabric makes the look a little too casual. It probably looks like a pajama, but I like it. I like the way it looks. Looks good on him. Yeah. So yeah, this will be my final prototype, my final pattern, and I'm gonna be offering that to the shop soon. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.